AI systems can perform calculations and analyze data, they cannot fully comprehend the ethical implications and potential hazards involved in drug formulation. This is where the human element comes into play. Human experts ensured that the AI-powered process adhered to the strict safety standards, scrutinizing every step of the way. These experts also played a critical role in training the AI system, feeding it with data, refining its algorithms, and adjusting its predictive models. Without their input, the AI system would have been unable to perform as effectively as it did. They continually monitored the system, correcting errors and making adjustments as needed. This case study serves as a reminder that even as we move towards a more AI-driven industry, the importance of maintaining human expertise cannot be overstated. The synergy of AI and human expertise can lead to remarkable advancements, but it's the human element that ensures these advancements are safe, ethical, and truly beneficial. This case study underscores the indispensable role of human expertise, even in AI-driven processes. So what does this tell us about the role of humans in AI-powered chemical processes? Well, it's clear that the human element is far from obsolete. In fact, it's more crucial than ever. Even as artificial intelligence takes on more tasks in chemical processes, human expertise continues to guide and steer its applications. It's the human mind that defines the parameters, sets the standards, and makes the critical decisions. Moreover, safety and ethical considerations in AI-powered chemical processes cannot be overlooked. They necessitate a human touch, a discerning eye that ensures all operations align with our values and safety norms. In essence, the relationship between humans and AI in chemical processes is not one of replacement but of collaboration. It's a dance, if you will, where each partner brings their unique strengths to the table. Even in the realm of AI, the human touch remains essential. The future of AI-powered chemical processes is a dance of collaboration between human expertise and artificial intelligence.